To check screen time on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here you have to scroll down, like all the way down, and right here you will be able to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So let's tap on this one, and here you can find this graph with some information. Simply tap on this graph to get more precise information about your screen time, and you can see you can check the screen time for the current day and for some different days, as you can see, from this week and from previous times. As you can see, there are different periods, so you can check it just like this. And additionally, as you tap on the screen time, you can filter out a couple of different things like notifications received and times opened. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. You can also, let me just go for the screen time. As you scroll down, you'll be able to find more information about the screen time, about which applications you are using for which amount of time. And as you can see, I used settings application for 36 minutes. And depending on which like application, on which period you actually set, as you can see today, I actually used the settings application for 1 hour. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can check the screen time on the Realme C71.